Alright, so as I do with most of my vlog slash flight videos, I want to provide you guys with a little bit of context. Currently, I'm in Huntington Beach, California, just south of Los Angeles. First of all, the weather, the scenes are beautiful here. Second of all, I'm here for a long weekend, right? So I flew from Philadelphia, the East Coast, to the West Coast for 3 days. I know that kind of doesn't seem to make sense, and a lot of people, when I tell them, are like, why'd you do that? Well, it's my uncle's birthday, so that's why I'm here, but I'm also going to try to do a ton of drone flying, but there is going to be a cap on the drone flying. I've only got 4 Mavic 2 Pro batteries, which means that I'm only going to be able to fly a certain amount of time. That should give me like an hour's worth of flight time, if I'm flying a little bit more conservative. So we'll see what I can get with those 4 batteries. I don't have a charger. The biggest challenge is trying to perfect my shot on the very first take. So usually when I find an angle, I'll go and I'll try it a couple of times, and by the 4th or 5th time, I get it perfect. But this time I've got to get the shot and move on to the next one so I can get enough unique angles for this video. So I figured it'd be a cool challenge. Let's see how the footage turns out, because I already burnt 1 battery and I pretty much just shot all photos. So technically 3 batteries to shoot some video. We'll see how it turns out. Hope you guys enjoy the footage.